Hey everybody. Oops. My connection's not very strong right here. Hey everybody. I got all kinds of today. You can see we're redoing the garden. So since we're redoing the garden, look at, I've got a couple loads like this coming, so I can basically, I'm gonna have to replant all my seeds and everything else for my garden. So everybody was wondering and asking me because I haven't done too much with the garden yet this year. It's just been a wet year and I've been busy. And so as you can see, you can come up with as many jokes as you want now, because that's manure behind me. I'm going to be shoveling the manure, and it's got good nitrate and everything in it, so it's about 3-year-old manure, so it's good compost stuff, and we're going to put it in the garden. The reason why is because I'm going to retill up the garden here today or tomorrow, and I'm going to put a lot more of my fertilizer down, so that I'm just going to replant. I've got corn and stuff coming up, but I'm just going to have to kill it and then redo it. Heck, I got tomatoes from last year coming up already, but I'm going to kill it all and basically replant everything. So, because as you can see, it's like a freaking grass maze in there right now. And I got to do something to make sure that... And these gnats this year are just freaking unbelievably terrible. So, anyway, I'm going to be doing my garden here. And that's what it is. I hope you all have a great day.